Congratulations, you're taking your first steps towards becoming a safe, responsible firearms owner. Today's class is Basic Firearms Safety. It's the first class in our firearms training series. My name is Jay Clavins. I'm going to be your certified instructor. This course is about 30 minutes long, and we've divided it into 5 easy-to-follow sections. Section 1 is gun safety rules. Section 2 is parts and operation. Section 3 is ammunition. Section 4 is fundamentals. And Section 5 is cleaning and maintenance. Let's talk about firearm safety and some of the firearm safety rules. There are 2 underlying causes for almost every firearms accident. The first one is ignorance. Ignorance means you've never been trained, you don't have the knowledge, you don't know what you're supposed to do, and you cause an accident. The second one is carelessness. Carelessness is an improper attitude. What that means is you understand what you're supposed to do, you've been trained, you have the knowledge, but for whatever reason, you decided that you didn't need to follow the rules and you've caused an accident. We don't want to find ourselves in either one of those categories. That's why we're here today. So let's move on with the class. Okay, let's talk about the 3 rules for safe gun handling. These 3 rules apply every single time we pick up a firearm. The first one is we always keep the firearm pointed in a safe direction. A safe direction means that if the firearm was to discharge, we would not destroy anything that we did not intend to destroy. We also keep our finger off the trigger until we're ready to shoot. That means we stay off the trigger until we're actually on target, and we come off the trigger again before we come off the target. The last one is we always keep our firearm unloaded until we're ready to use it. What this means is if we're going to transport our firearm, clean our firearm, or store our firearm, we keep it unloaded until we're actually at the range and ready to use it. Let's talk about the rules for using and storing a gun.